Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's draw together. Easy step-by-step drawing for kids with Coco the Panda. Hi there, Curious Explorers. Welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. I'm Coco the Panda, and today we have a super fun activity planned. We're going to learn how to draw a frog and a chick. That's right, we're going to draw a cute frog and small chick. This awesome animal combo will be super cute and a lot of fun to draw. So, let's get started. Materials. Here are the materials that you will need. First, you will need a black marker for outlines. And then you will also need some markers for coloring. Feel free to use crayons, watercolor, pastels, or other color pencils as another option. And of course, you will need some paper to draw on. And that's it. Let's get to some drawing. Yeah! For the drawing today, I'm going to get some help from my friend Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. First, let's get our piece of paper ready. We will start by drawing the frog. I will draw the outline for the frog with its little legs. Next, I will start on the chick. The body of the chick is almost like a squished oval. It is not perfectly round, but that's okay because animals can come in all shapes and sizes. Next, we will draw in the chick's arms. You can also change it up and make the arms go up or holding an ice cream cone. Remember to have fun with this drawing. Isn't it so cute already? Let's not forget to draw the two eyes for our chick, and I will use an orange marker to draw in its beak. Next, I will use a pink marker to color in some blush on their cheeks. They look so adorable. Now that we've finished the outline, I think we are ready to color in the rest of the drawing. I like to gather all the colors I plan on using first. This gives me a better idea of the color combos that I will use for my drawing. Let's start with a yellow color for the chick's body. Feel free to change up the colors. You may even choose to have a rainbow chick. Wouldn't that be so cool? Have fun and choose a combination of different colors that you like. Isn't coloring so much fun? Make sure to color within the lines and don't leave out too much white space. If you want a challenge, you can add on more accessories for your animals. It can be a colorful hat or a long scarf. Feel free to use a few different colors to add a splash of colors to your animal's accessories. Doesn't it look fantastic already? Lastly, let's use our green to color in the froggy on the top. It looks so awesome. Wow, look at our amazing little animal jewel. You all did a fantastic job. It looks so cute. If you like, you can also add some background, such as a party or a park. You can also repeat this drawing and do lots of frogs and chicks in the background. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Here is the finished drawing of the frog and the chick. It is so adorable. Here is a closer look at the drawing. Drawing can be so much fun, especially when we do it together. You all did a fantastic job. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, your art will get better with practice. So keep drawing and trying new things. You may want to try this drawing again using different colors or adding different faces and expressions to your character. Use your imagination and have fun with your drawing. See you next time, and keep exploring and creating.